Okay, so today I'm going to show you what I have inside my wardrobe from IKEA, because in the last video that I showed how to assemble the IKEA wardrobe, the video was so well received that I think it's a good idea to show you how I use it. And maybe when you purchase yours or before you purchase yours, you can have an idea how you can build yours. So let's see how it's inside, and yeah, let's begin. Okay, so the wardrobe is right here. It's in the biggest wall of my apartment. I live in a studio, so yeah, I need a quite big wall for putting this wardrobe. The wardrobe has 150 centimeters, 1 meter and 50 centimeters, so 75 centimeters for his and 75 centimeters for hers. Okay, the wardrobe helps as well divide the space and defines the door space to getting into the bathroom. And we selected sliding doors because of the space. The space is so small that sliding doors is the best option, because with the other doors we had to go around to look inside and was not very comfortable and useful. So sliding doors it is. The doors are very nice and feel very soft and expansive, and they have a slow closing, as you can see right now. Let's see. Okay, so they close very softly. So in the main section, we have a rack where I save my jackets, my shirts, and some pants. Then we have a space between the rack and the drawers below. And here is where I save some clothing that don't have any designated place to be. And in this case, we have some travel bags. The clothing that I use to be at home, I leave them here as well. And this space is used exactly for that, for some stuff that I don't have to worry about during the day, and I can just throw it inside and forget about it. Then up we have a shelf that we use to save some bed clothing. And then this part below we have 4 drawers, 3 big drawers and 1 small drawer. This one is my favorite because it's used to save the accessories like watches, bracelets, my second pair of glasses, and other stuff that I like to save here. And you can purchase a small and soft rug to divide the accessories into categories and to avoid them to slide in and out from the place. And I really recommend you to buy it if you go with this drawer. Then we have 3 drawers, big drawers, where you put another class of clothing like t-shirts, trousers, and some underwear and stuff like that. So it's for that that I use them. And then you can't see, but I'll show you, we have a place where you can use it for another drawer, but we only use it for shoes. So this place is used only for shoes. You can put another drawer here, but we decided to use it only for shoes because it's very practical, and you come home, take your shoes off, and put it away, and that's it. So it's very convenient. And yeah, that's it. So I very content with the wardrobe. Was my best probably purchase from IKEA, and I'm very content with that. And I really recommend you to get one because it's very versatile. You can choose your size, the size you want, the number of drawers you want, the kind of drawers you want, and the kind of doors you want. So it's very customizable. And for two people, this design that I chose is ideal. So if you don't want to think too much about it, just go with this design that I chose, and you'll be very, very happy with the result. So if you like this video and want more content like this, please leave your comment below. Let me know what you think, if you have any questions about it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.